Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share with you a complete guide regarding the Base app. The Base app is now available in more than 140 countries around the world. They recently launched a holiday celebration campaign which ends at 12 p.m. on December 21. What you need to do is sign up for the Base app, verify your account, invite friends, and earn together by using the app. So I'll show you step by step how to join the Base app and how to participate in this campaign. I'll put a Telegram link in the video description. There you'll find this post link. What you need to do is click this link and then you'll be redirected to the Play Store. Simply install the app, then open the app. Now you need to create an account, so click here. Then enter your email and click on next. Then you need to verify your email. Check your email for the code and put your code here. After that, choose your username and click on claim. Then click on continue. Then set your profile picture and click on continue. Now wait a bit while your account is being set up. After that, you will see an interface like this, which is similar to a social media platform, and people share their content here. Click here on your profile icon. Here you will see your username and total balance. You can invite friends, tap on view profile. And here you can see your profile. Click on these three dots and you can copy your address. Here is the search option. Tap on that and in the search box you can search for any profile and content. This is the trading section where you can trade tokens. Here you can see your notifications. Now tap on the wallet section. Here you can buy, send and transfer tokens. Most importantly, you can participate in events. As you can see, the recent invite and earn campaign is ongoing, and in the future you'll see different events as well. To participate in the event, tap on event. First you need to tap on verify. Then click on continue. Click on confirm. Now you need to verify these accounts. Let me show you one. I verified my X profile. So click on verify. Then click on continue with X. After signing into your account, click on authorize app. Now you can see it's verified. Next, what you need to do is trade $1 worth of tokens. You can buy the token from the buy option or you can deposit from any wallet or exchange as well. For that, click here. Then you'll find your address. Copy the address and you can send tokens to this address. As you can see, I deposited into this account from MetaMask. Then go back to the event and tap on the trade option. You'll be redirected to this post section. Double tap any of these posts. I'll tap here. A trade option will pop up. Click on trade. Select your amount. I'll select 1. Then swipe trade. Now and it's done. Again, if you want, then you can swap the tokens. Next, you have the invite friends option. Tap here and you'll find your link. Simply copy this link and share it with your friends. Also tap here to enable notifications. Next, tap on complete enrollment. Then click on continue. Check the tick box and click on continue again. Done. Now you're in for the 2 million rewards event. Go to your profile and click on post now. Here you can post your content and based on that you can also earn rewards. That's all for this video. I hope you got everything clearly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.